Twinning! Alright, so for today's video, I actually planned on doing this video quite a while ago, but never got around to it because I've been super busy with pretty much everything else on my channel. Stay tuned for Halloween. So for today's video, I'm going to be making myself into a jawbreaker. I'm guessing you guys can tell exactly what video this was supposed to be paired with. I will link it in the description box down below if you are interested. But besides that, to make it a little bit more than just like a makeup tutorial or a makeup tutorial, I also maybe want to find a couple like fun facts about jawbreakers. It might be because I'm extremely tired right now and it's 11:16 at night, or it might be because I actually want to know stuff about one of my old-time favorite candies. Don't really eat them all that much anymore because they're extremely hard to find unless they're in one of those like jars that you twist open. Let's do this. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is literally just just taking white paint and painting everything. Obviously not my clothes, but everything else. So everything that you guys can see will be painted. Actually, first, let's take off some makeup. One of the only times my brows will be visible. Going full white out, literally. Alright, and now I'm going to be priming my face because I don't want to turn white for the rest of my life. I mean, I am white, but like I don't want to turn further white, like actually white. Told you we're going everywhere. You can't even see what I'm doing right now and I'm still doing it. I should probably get into some fun facts actually. So to start off, a jawbreaker is a type of hard, round candy that is ideally difficult to bite down on, so it must be sucked. Jawbreakers range from the size of a hazelnut to the size of a golf ball and come in many different flavors and colors. Okay, time for another fact. I look completely insane. The word jawbreaker first showed up in the English language in 1839, used to mean a hard to pronounce word. Ferrara pan was founded by an Italian immigrant to the United States, Salvatore Ferrara, in 1918. He ended up saving enough money to open his own candy shop in Chicago in 1908. Time for the hair. Why am I reminding myself so much of Julian? Okay. Continuing on with the white of this all, mascara. Alright, next fun fact. A jawbreaker can explode when bitten after being heated in a microwave oven or standing on the sunlight while still in the wrapper. Microwave heating of a jawbreaker can cause the different layers inside to heat at different rates, yielding an explosive spray of very hot candy when compressed. Don't try that at home. Time for a spritz. a couple of fun facts because we're almost done the look-ish, and we've only gone through like 3. The largest JawBreaker weighs 12.6 kilograms or 27.8 pounds and was made by Nick Calderaro, an employee of Oakley Conventions Co. At their headquarters in Scarborough, Ontario, Canada on May 29, 2003. The JawBreaker measured 94.6 centimeters or 37.25 inches in circumference and took 476 hours to make between January 7th and May 29th. The classic JawBreaker gum candy is built from a single grain of sugar and is tossed into a revolving pan to add flavor, color, and other candy ingredients. Fine. Keep your secrets. This process is what gives the JawBreakers their many layers of long-lasting color, sweet fruit flavor. The classic JawBreaker candy named Jawbusters, made by that Ferrara dude, is made in the USA. These amazing fruit-flavored candies come in an assortment of colors: orange, green, yellow, purple, yellow, and red. I said yellow twice. The JawBreakers are quite hard and take a long time to eat up. How many licks does it take to eat a JawBreaker? It turns out that the magic number of licks is 1,000. I think this look went a lot more avant-garde and a lot less JawBreaker, but the thought was there. No, I just ruined the illusion. Here we are. Honestly, I'm kind of scared of myself right now. I don't look like me at all. And my nails are still painted from Pride.